Thank you. One of the reasons I brought that out is because a few years ago, even coming from the CDC, where if you get the vaccine, you won't get COVID. And so early studies that were done is that you didn't even test people with COVID-like illnesses if they were vaccinated. You only tested the unvaccinated because the assumption was in the medical community that it prevented infection. But I think all of us know that it's very hard to prevent a respiratory infection with an injectable vaccine because of the lack of IgA immunity. One last thing, before medicine career, I had a PhD in pharmacology. And I guess I'm shocked at the lack of pharmacological rigor in dosing, dose timing, dose accumulation, how long that dose lasts, and what are the pharmacokinetics of a biologic making a biologic. And so when the question is asked of, okay, so as a cardiologist, I see the spike protein as cardiotoxic. I want to know how long that a biologic has made a biologic, and how long it's going to last. Oh, it goes away quickly. Then we have the recent Yale study that showed femtomoles of spike protein basically until they stopped the assay. So my comment is I am really confused about the pharmacologic rigor for this product before it was released. And now with evidence of contamination, why is this not pulled off like any other biologic or medicine that is found to have contamination?
Is response to that?
That would be a question for the manufacturers or FDA.
Or FDA. Crazy question.
Yeah.
Dr. Hög?
Yes. Hey, can you hear me? Tracy Beth Hogue from the FDA.
Yes.
So I will say that some of the information is proprietary information, and I will say though the information that we have been provided by Pfizer and Moderna and what was shared with me, what they provided to the FDA was within the regulatory limits, and I will also acknowledge that this is something we take very seriously, and I want to sincerely thank the independent researchers, many of whom I know, who have brought this issue to the public's attention. And at the FDA, we take the public's safety and the safety of these products incredibly seriously. And I just want to give you all that message that this is not something that is being ignored. And I can only, provide with you the information that I have been given about what the sponsors provided us regarding the DNA levels in their products. And so that I think that I'm going to stop with that.
Dr. Hogue,
Do we have a comment from
Yeah.
Pfizer or Moderna? And please state name and company.
can I ask another quick question of Dr. Hogue?
Please do.
Dr. Hogue, are there any plans for post-production independent evaluation by the FDA?
So I'll say that is something that's being discussed, and we want to communicate that we take this issue very seriously, and thank everyone who has brought this to our attention.
Do we have a comment from Pfizer or Moderna? Okay, so we're going to continue